The Mumbai police have filed a 4,590-page charge sheet in connection with the brutal murder of NCP leader Baba Siddiqui. The charge sheet names 26 individuals arrested over the past few months. Among the wanted are Anmol Bishnoi, the brother of notorious gangster Lawrence Bishnoi, Mohammed Yasin Akhtar, also known by aliases as Mohammed Jamil and Kehi, and Shubham Rameshwar Lonkar from Pune. These three are described by investigators as the key conspirators behind the assassination of the former Maharashtra minister. Investigators allege that Anmol Bishnoi, the leader of an organized crime syndicate, orchestrated the murder, and I quote, to establish supremacy in Mumbai. Reports citing the charge sheet also noted his closeness to actor Salman Khan and revenge for the suicide of Anuj Thapan as the reasons for the crime. The Mumbai police took statements from more than 200 witnesses while forming the charge sheet. Baba Siddiqui was shot dead on the evening of October 12 in 2024 outside his son Zishan Siddiqui's office in Bandra. As Siddiqui exited the building around 9:15 pm, three armed assailants who had been tailing him launched a targeted attack. His accomplices Dharmraj Kashyap and Gurmail Singh attempted to flee towards Kherwadi Junction but were intercepted by patrolling officers. Moments before they opened fire on NCP leader and former Maharashtra Minister Baba Siddiqui, the shooters distracted the three policemen guarding him by bursting a firecracker that caused a smoke screen, according to police sources. The alleged main shooter, Shivkumar Gautam, fired six shots, three of which struck Siddiqui, causing fatal injuries. Despite being rushed to Leelavati Hospital, Siddiqui succumbed to his wounds within an hour. The stringent Maharashtra Control of Organized Crime Act has been invoked against the accused, who are currently in judicial custody. Over 200 witnesses have provided statements contributing to the comprehensive charge sheet that encapsulates the intricate details of this high profile case. As the legal proceedings unfold, the murder of Baba Siddiqui remains a poignant reminder of the intricate nexus between politics and organized crime. The road to justice for the late NCP leader and his family is now set in motion, with the Mumbai police's charge sheet paving the way. For more updates, keep watching the Indian Express.